Waking up universally sucks. One second you got big booty Latinas bouncing ass on you, and the next second you snap back to the cold, lonely reality. If only there was a way to wake up with your heart racing. Something that makes you feel alive and ready to conquer the day. I'm just playing, you already know I have the answer. The design is very human. Become an electrician for a moment and doohickey this contraption of wires and switches together, and then wear it like a ring. Every morning becomes a blessing because this shock will reset your heart. We don't guarantee it's starting back up again, but you can sleep peacefully knowing that you won't sleep through an alarm.